Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming prerequisites: a licensed Copilot, IDE extension, and a minimal repository ready. Open the focused file and type a clear intent line. This seeds context. Once done, accept the first inline suggestion or press the shortcut to cycle alternatives, because immediate feedback trains the flow. Make sure to keep your prompt concise yet specific. Describe function goals, inputs, and edge cases, so Copilot generates usable scaffolding instead of noisy samples. You now move into iteration. Craft intent comments, show example inputs, and ask Copilot for one function at a time. When a suggestion appears, accept selectively, then edit to add constraints. This teaches the model your preferred style. Once you have a draft, add a quick test or example usage and prompt Copilot to adapt the implementation to pass that test. Because Copilot responds to concrete examples, blending edits and tests produces lean, reliable code faster than blind acceptance. You finish by validating. Run unit tests, linters, and a quick security scan to catch issues Copilot missed. Then refactor for readability and create a small pull request that documents the prompt used so reviewers understand intent. If Copilot's output is off, provide more surrounding context, add counterexamples, or simplify the prompt. This corrects hallucinations. Finally, iterate on prompt templates and save them. Consistent prompts are the only way to get repeatable, high-quality suggestions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.